Hello and welcome. My name is Romney and I'm the founder of Global Self-Publishing. Thank you very much for joining me on my YouTube channel today. Now what I'm going to do is to show you some key features over a series of a few videos about the best techniques and tools you can use with KDSpy. Now I use KDSpy for my book publishing and I found it a fantastic way to do keyword research, getting insights, looking at different data and analytics, and it really does save you a significant amount of time. Now, if you don't have KDSpy, then you can actually get KDSpy, use my link, and you'll also receive a free course valued at $99, which can be also found on udemy.com. So if you want that course, just make sure you check out the links below. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the keyword research tool of KDSpy. So let's get into that right now, and I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can use that keyword research to find different niches and book topics for publishing for Amazon KDP. If you haven't used KDSpy before, I've created a free document that you can download. So it just goes through the overview, the pricing structure, what can KDSpy Pro do, plus some other things as well. And it also includes my free course, which you can download as part of the affiliate link. Anyway, let's get back to the video. One of the things that I always advise is to use incognito, and we're using KDSpy, which is the link up here. It's a Chrome extension that you end up getting when you purchase KDSpy, and I'll show you in a moment how we use that for a keyword research. So if you're on Amazon and you're trying to work out different kinds of niches, then you could simply go through and check books about coloring, books for kids, animals. That might be one that you go to. It'll give you the 50,000 results. However, if we wanted to do some keyword research, what we could do is click on KDSpy. This will give you some initial data about colouring books for kids' animals. So this will provide you with the average sales rank. However, down the bottom here, there's a keyword search tool. So what I'm going to do is show you what you can do here. And as you can see, you've got popularity, potential, and competition. But what keywords could potentially we get where we got all green lights, which means if it's red, the competition here is very strong. Green, the potential revenue of books is very good and the popularity is very good. So let's do a keyword search. When we're using this tool, I'd recommend going to books. So if we had a book that we were wanting to create about gardening. So what I might do is just write gardening. So we just do a couple of words and we do search. This will now provide us with different keywords based on this actual keyword that we're looking for. It'll show you the competition. We can analyze it. We can actually see the average monthly revenue if you go get. We can also see the competitors. So if we look down here, 40,000, too many competitors. But if we go down further to say vegetable gardening in the Pacific West, so we might just even highlight that. If we go analyze, we can actually see the full results of this keyword. So you might like to get that keyword and place it in a spreadsheet, so therefore you can keep track of it. So now KDSpy will go ahead and show you the different rankings of the books under this particular keyword. So what I would do is wait for these to come up and see what happens. And then what I normally do is I usually remove, just by filtering here, the last 1, 2, 3. So they're what we call outliners. So they're the ones that someone might have created a book, but they're not very good books. And so therefore you don't want to construe the data by having these high BSR numbers. As you can see, vegetable gardening in the Pacific West is popular, it's got potential, and there's not much competition. If we get rid of those 3 biggest ones here, the average sales rank is actually 92,000. Average monthly revenue, 9,602. So it's actually a very good keyword to look into. So what you would do you can have a look at different regions here. So you can choose different regions, great monthly revenue, and then you can start to look through the different books that you might want to look at. So what I generally do is find books. If we go to reviews, we know we can compete with books maybe under 150 reviews. So this book here, The Seed Saving Bible, only 98 reviews, 34 sales rank. Let's have a look at Companion Planting for Beginners. So what we could do, we could take a look at this book as well. We can do a review of this. We can look at, say, if we do the S, this will actually bring up the different on Google, what it looks like. So let's go back. We can actually also look at the date that it was published. So 17th of June 2023. So it's only about 7 months old. Revenue of $1,000 a month. 83 reviews ranked at 69,000. So if we go see, we can actually also look at the image of the book. So there's the book right there. So it gives you a bit of a Google lens of what we're looking for. So let's go back one more time, have a quick look. We can also look at Kindle books under that different keyword as well. And we've got our books here. So that'll give you a really good look at what the keywords are, and you can keep searching for different keywords if you wanted to. This is just one example that you can search, and then you can start to investigate more if some of these books might be what you wanted to do. So let's have a look. Pacific Northwest medicinal plants. We've also got, if we wanted to paste that in there, so you can actually see it's something that someone or people from Amazon or customers using Amazon actually searching for. So we click there. Let's have a look at these. 127 results. We can actually look through now the books that are part of this keyword, and you can actually get some ideas about what this actual keyword is actually creating. So look at this one. So it's Pacific Northwest month by month gardening, what to do each month to have a beautiful garden each year. So it's ranked at 40,000 there. So you can go through, scroll through, and have a look at what different books are part of that keyword. Raised bed gardening for beginners. That might be another idea you can look at as well. So let's copy that one quickly. Raised bed gardening. So we go back here. Let's go to our KDSpy. And we're going to go keywords. And we're going to do, where was it? Raised. So we plug that in to KDSpy. We do a search. Raised bed gardening companion planting. So there's only 239 competitors. We can do an analysis of this by analyzing it. This will then give us more data, and the books are actually part of raised bed gardening and companion. So we wait for these to go up. Then what I'm going to do in a moment, I'm going to get rid of those 3 that are just too high in regards to the BSR ranking. They just might be poor books. So we wait for those to come through. We'll be there in a second. So what we do, we can filter that, get rid of 1, 2, 3. Then we can actually start to look at books that maybe have under 150 reviews and how they're tracking. There's not really many here, maybe 110. That was one we looked at before. And you can see the date it's published, and you can click on that as well, and it'll take you straight through to that book. So it's got 110 ratings as well. You can see that they've done a really good job with the A+ content. So I hope this has really helped you. This is one of the many different tools that KDSpy offer. And in the next video, I'll show you another one of the tools you can use to really make use of KDSpy. And remember, if you do want to purchase KDSpy using my link, you'll get the free course as well, which will help you with your niche research. So hopefully that's really helped you out.